Greetings, Greenthumbs machinery aficionados. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of heavy machinery that pushes the boundaries of engineering. From colossal machines weighing in at thousands of tons to impressive high-capacity giants, get ready for an exhilarating exploration. Stay with us, as the revelations ahead are sure to captivate and amaze you. Throughout the relocation process, meticulous planning and cutting-edge equipment ensure that the structure remains intact and is safely transported or lifted to its new location. This machine offers an extensive range of applications, enabling it to effectively process a variety of materials, even those with the most stringent specifications. This state-of-the-art marvel streamlines the bridge construction process across the river, all while optimizing labor efficiency and conserving valuable resources. This time, we have a colossal vessel equipped with a large backhoe excavator. The backhoe dredger is securely anchored with 3 spud holes, while a barge is moored nearby, ready for operation. The Kamag slag pot carrier is a vital asset in the steelmaking industry, renowned for its crucial role in the efficient transport of molten slag, a common byproduct of melting ores and scrap metal. The Liber LPS 420E electric single crane is engineered for port operations, offering seamless, mission-free functionality with the capability to handle up to 11,200 tons per hour. The Chemrock chain cutter EK1-140 is expertly designed for excavators weighing between 10 and 50 tons. This versatile tool excels in trench excavation and rock mining, effectively handling materials with uniaxial compressive strengths of up to 100 megapascals. The Cat 973 is a track loader engineered to excel in earth-moving and material handling tasks, delivering reliable performance and versatility for a wide range of applications. The WGEN Surface Miner 220 SM 3.8 is designed for optimal performance in soft rock environments. Featuring a 3.8-meter cutting drum unit, this machine enables operators to maximize productivity while keeping operating costs to a minimum. The shredding knives or blades provide finely shredded or coarsely chopped material based on the selected blade setting and screen size. The blower, measuring 1.55 meters in diameter, is equipped with durable wear-resistant surfaces, ensuring long-lasting performance. The KTR chain trencher is engineered to create trenches with precise profiles, offering widths from 17 to 45 centimeters and achieving depths of up to 1.8 meters, tailored to meet specific project requirements. The XCA 600 L8 is an all-terrain crane featuring a maximum lifting capacity of 600 tons and a boom length that extends up to 345 feet. Designed for precision lifting in a variety of environments. The Lear LHM 6600 is a robust and versatile cargo handling machine that excels in efficiently moving and managing cargo, ensuring a seamless loading and unloading process for ships. Crane machines play a vital role at construction sites. The Soteriatas Ade, introduced in 2000, made a significant impact, drawing the attention of many mining industry owners with its impressive enhancements and capabilities. According to the Guinness World Records, the Bagger 293 is the largest land-based vehicle in the world. It stands an impressive 315 feet tall. Whether equipped as a walking or floating excavator, both versions benefit from the Remu Pond 2 undercarriage. This innovative design allows the excavator to perform reliably in the most challenging conditions, including soft ground environments. Gardeners harvesting sweet corn with modern harvesters exemplify a remarkable fusion of technology and agricultural efficiency. These harvesters are expertly engineered to swiftly and effectively gather corn from the fields, maximizing productivity and minimizing labor. The Torum 785 is a versatile combine harvester designed to efficiently harvest a wide range of grain crops, including spiked cereals, legumes, oilseeds, and arable crops. The XE7000 XCMG features impressive dimensions, measuring 23.5 meters in length and 9.4 meters in height. It is equipped with a substantial 13,600-liter fuel tank and powered by two engines generating 3,600 horsepower, enabling it to reach a speed of 1.5 kilometers per hour. The machine features an impressive boom that extends to 42 meters in length, powered by two 600-horsepower Cummins engines that generate approximately 4,000 pounds of torque. This crane has the capacity to transport thousands of tons of wood daily to the processing plant, significantly enhancing operational efficiency. The Model 8825C vibratory road roller is exceptionally versatile, user-friendly, and requires minimal maintenance. This equipment easily adapts to different conditions and tasks, ensuring reliable and efficient compaction of construction materials every time. The Caterpillar D1R bulldozer is exceptional at ground leveling, combining remarkable power with efficiency. Equipped with a robust engine and a sizable blade, this machine easily transforms uneven terrain into a smooth, flat surface. The Hyundai HL975A features a power output of 250 kilowatts and an operating weight of 26,500 kilograms. This wheel loader is considered one of the best options for smaller capacity requirements, offering excellent performance and versatility. The revamped T14R modification enhances cab visibility, featuring user-friendly controls and advanced warning systems. A standout characteristic of this dump truck is its exceptional maneuverability, allowing for precise directional movement. The Volvo L350h features a maximum bucket capacity of 13 cubic meters. Powered by the Volvo D16J engine, which has a 16-liter displacement, it delivers an impressive torque output of 2,550 newton-meters, ensuring robust performance for heavy-duty tasks. Caterpillar's 657E motor scraper is a formidable earth-moving machine, celebrated for its impressive hauling capacity and efficiency. Designed to swiftly transport substantial volumes of earth, it is an indispensable asset for large-scale construction and mining operations. The Terramac RT14R is a versatile crawler carrier designed to perform exceptionally well in small and sensitive work areas. Its full 360-degree rotation capability allows for offloading from any angle, enabling efficient and repeatable operations as needed. This Kimrock excavator cutter attachment, much like several others on our list, features a rotating blade specifically designed for cutting through stone walls with precision and efficiency. The Caterpillar D11R, introduced in 1996, is among Caterpillar's most powerful bulldozers. Widely utilized in the mining and construction industries, its slow yet robust movements enable it to efficiently push heavy materials such as rocks, sand, and soil. The chain-type soapstone cutting machine is designed for on-site sizing in stone quarries, enabling precise and rapid cutting of blocks to meet specified dimensions efficiently. The 85H Pro hydraulic forestry winch delivers a pulling force of 8.5 tons and features user-friendly operation with its unwinding device, auto-stop function, and smart 3-in-1 capabilities. In this video, you'll observe the intricate process of sand extraction from the ocean. This involves carefully dredging the seabed in specified locations, all conducted under the expert oversight of professionals to ensure safety and sustainability. The new 986K seamlessly integrates outstanding features focused on reliability, productivity, safety, operator comfort, serviceability, and sustainability, making it a top choice for various applications. The 355E model loader utilizes its blade to stack sugar beets while simultaneously taking samples from each shipment for quality control. In contrast, the 835G hybrid model efficiently loads the beets onto barges. This transloader handles an impressive 270,000 tons of sugar beets during the harvesting season. Next, we have a BYD garbage truck featuring a distinctive set of arms that can slide up and down while securely gripping a bin in its clamps. This innovative design simplifies the process compared to traditional clamp attachments, saving time and enabling effortless handling of both medium and small trash bins. Utilizing modern machinery for digging and installing drainage pipes is a sophisticated technique vital for agriculture and land management. Powerful machines, such as excavators and backhoes, are employed to efficiently excavate trenches, ensuring optimal drainage solutions. The DA45 is an articulated dump truck known for its robust strength and remarkable hauling capacity. It is designed to transport heavy loads efficiently, even in challenging terrains. One standout machine in this domain is the Cat 65 Super Ripper, a powerful unit equipped with a diesel engine that boasts an impressive capacity of up to 1,044, delivering substantial strength for demanding tasks. The EX8006 stands out for its durability, lightweight construction, and cost-effectiveness. It can confidently be regarded as the best in its class. This machine is renowned for its low maintenance requirements and ability to endure the harshest operational conditions. It can be easily customized for specific applications. Chemrock offers dual hydraulic motor disc cutters specifically designed for rock excavation. These cutters enhance performance and efficiency, ensuring optimal results for various applications. If you find this content fascinating, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more exploration into some of the most remarkable machines out there. The machine is also capable of blending additives such as lime or cement with the soil to improve stability and increase volume. It features innovative cutting technology that enables adjustments in both cutting width and depth. The Brunn 585 is capable of plowing to a depth of 7 feet and installing pipes with a diameter of 12 inches. This is a powerful and efficient 8-wheel forwarder from Jarcroft Magna Pro. The developers claim that their design features low ground pressure, enhancing its performance in challenging terrain. The Liebherr R9R96B stands out as a key player in the largest category of crawler excavators. With an impressive bucket capacity of 36 cubic meters, it combines substantial weight and functionality, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications. The P400 CFH Carrot Harvester is expertly designed to reduce labor and enhance productivity during the harvesting process. Equipped with a small cross-section wheel, it navigates seamlessly through the center of each row. This tractor is equipped with an electric weed killer that uses a flame to ignite weeds. While this method offers an innovative solution for modern weed control, it also comes with a significant level of risk. The Morbark 3400X mulcher, powered by a formidable V15 diesel engine, is engineered for superior tree shredding performance. With its robust design, this machine can efficiently handle materials up to 18 inches in diameter, utilizing a sophisticated layering and crushing mechanism to ensure optimal grinding efficiency. The TC100 transport system excels beyond mere heavy load carrying. It tackles tasks that would challenge a regular machine, performing feats that are nearly impossible with conventional equipment. This excavator, designated for flipping iron bars on the railroad tracks at Becklin, boasts immense power thanks to its substantial size and a robust C18 Acert diesel engine. The Grime ASA Lift 260B is a self-propelled cabbage harvester designed to handle 2 rows simultaneously. It features a 6-ton bunker for storage, and its intake unit, equipped with driven torpedoes, efficiently directs the harvest. The dredging vessel Krios features a large rotating cutter head known as a cutter suction dredger. This specialized equipment is designed for efficiently dredging materials such as rocks, clay, salts, and silts. The Husqvarna DXR310 is an exceptional remote-controlled demolition robot that takes precision and versatility to unprecedented heights. Tailored for urban construction projects, it seamlessly tackles complex demolition tasks with remarkable efficiency and safety. Kirby BPS represents the next generation in stationary hammerstone crushers. It is equipped with 10 synchronized CPC-type belts, providing superior wear resistance and extended durability. The unit weighs approximately 4,200 kilograms, ensuring robust performance and reliability in crushing operations. In Montreal, Canada, effective snow removal is essential during the winter months, given the city's average annual snowfall of over 2 meters. Workers are tasked with the continual clearing of streets and sidewalks to ensure safe and accessible passage for residents and vehicles alike. The Cat Model 637K scraper tractor is meticulously engineered to tackle the challenges faced by operators worldwide. Known for its robustness and durability, it excels in handling the most demanding conditions and materials with ease. The John Deere 948L2 is a robust 22-ton skidder equipped with a 22.3 square foot grapple capacity. It is powered by a 300 horsepower engine that delivers an impressive 369 newton meters of torque. The Bogan 870, produced by Sen Bogan, is specifically designed for material handling. It is commonly utilized in projects related to port logistics, as well as in scrap and waste management applications. The Mobex MR1 130i Pro from WDN Group is designed to support natural stone processing and recycling efforts. A standout feature is its all-electric drive concept, which can be powered externally, providing exceptional versatility and efficiency for various applications. The FireCom by MFT 240 is a specialized machine designed for extinguishing forest fires using water or foam. It is equipped with a 4-cylinder engine incorporating AdBlue technology, ensuring compliance with Stage 5 emission standards for reduced environmental impact. This machine employs a V-shaped crushing mechanism that effectively breaks down rock blocks as they are fed in. The design features an up and down motion of 2 V-shaped walls that collide, ensuring efficient and thorough crushing of the material. G-Trex is an innovative amphibious excavating machine equipped with 2 supporting leg sets and 2 auxiliary pontoons to enhance buoyancy and minimize ground pressure on both land and water surfaces. Additionally, the device features a 12-meter-long boom arm for extended reach and enhanced mobility underwater. CBI's Magnum Force 5800 is a mid-size lifting unit tailored for contractors with smaller production requirements or transportation constraints. Its design incorporates the same offset spiral rotor, stop, and screen dimensions as the Model 6800, ensuring exceptional grinding performance while catering to a more compact and versatile application. With this machine and the combined capabilities of our 2 devices, we can efficiently undertake soil cultivation tasks across the vast fields of the United States. JCB has taken the initiative to tackle this issue with the introduction of its new Pothole Pro. The Caterpillar 336D excavator is a premier machine celebrated for its strength, accuracy, and versatility. The machine stands at a height of 234 meters and boasts a 156-meter-long boom. It is equipped with 4 hoist winches, a boom derrick featuring 2 winches, a boom hoist, and a luffing jib with 2 additional winches. Transporting large objects requires specialized vehicles equipped with multiple wheels to distribute weight effectively. These vehicles often feature load-bearing sections that can extend up to 20 meters in length, ensuring stability and safety during transport. The rake is a familiar tool for gardeners and lawn owners, known for its toothed design that efficiently clears away unwanted debris without causing damage to the grass. An inner drain is a specialized machine designed specifically for excavating and installing underground water pipes. It is powered by an MTU engine delivering up to 500 horsepower, ensuring powerful and smooth operation even in the most challenging terrains. Gessner constructed the cutter bar from high tensile steel, ensuring it effortlessly cuts through soil. The cedar drum measures 11 feet in length, with a diameter ranging from 22 to 30 inches. Rolling the drum requires only a 1 horsepower motor. Check out this iconic machine from Bayer, a land-based bucket dredger designed for extracting sand and gravel from shallow waters. Featuring a bucket-equipped conveyor system, it efficiently manages the dredging process with precision and effectiveness. Together, their performance and cutting capabilities optimize the on-site consolidation of debris and waste. Additionally, the excavator is highly effective in dismantling thick concrete layers, improving safety and operational efficiency while saving valuable time. The advanced Fendt 942 excels in generously distributing slurry within the agricultural industry, marking a significant stride toward the future. This blend of technology and high performance introduces a novel approach to fertilization, enhancing farming efficiency and sustainability. The Menzi Muck excavator is a marvel of engineering, delivering the same output as a standard 20-ton crawler excavator while weighing only 9.5 tons. Remarkably powerful, this machine can descend at nearly a 90-degree angle, making it ideal for stream excavation and other challenging tasks. Tilling soil near curbs and ditches has historically posed challenges, but with a McCulloch mower, no obstacle is insurmountable. Moreover, this versatile machine is also utilized for cable laying tasks. Market Reno is revolutionizing the dump truck industry by setting a new benchmark with the Panther T14R. Building on its legendary speed and power, they have introduced a range of impressive new features that elevate performance and functionality, redefining what a dump truck can achieve. The TG7000 hopper shredder combines advanced technology with robust power, specifically designed for large-scale land clearing and the recycling of organic and wood waste. Catu's continuous harvester system, featuring a double header, is ideally designed for industrial mining operations, including the extraction of gypsum and salt. This sewer mouth drilling machine is commonly utilized in major urban areas. It is equipped with an advanced foreign drill head featuring a 1-meter diameter and sharp saw teeth, designed for efficient cutting. The Strawmaster 7000 proves to be a reliable partner in farmland maintenance. It is equipped with a high-quality galvanized wire rope hanger, ensuring effective treatment and softening capabilities. The BPS is a next-generation fixed hammer stone crusher designed for durability and efficiency. It features 10 synchronized CPC-type belts, known for their wear resistance and extended lifespan. The Sputnik 16-row harvesting system, based at Taylor Farms in the United States, combines 8 6-row windrowers and 4 4-row harvesters. This innovative setup allows for the cultivation of 400 to 450 acres per day. Grimair SEP is an innovative machine manufactured by the German company Grimm, designed specifically for the separation of soil and potatoes. Utilizing advanced air classification technology, this machine efficiently separates potatoes from soil and debris, ensuring a cleaner and more effective harvesting process. Dieglen Rock King has established itself as the industry benchmark for rock pickers, known for their outstanding performance and exceptional durability. A true titan, this machine delivers exceptional efficiency and high productivity, thanks to the engineers who crafted it with substantial horsepower and impressive digging depth capabilities. The MT240 is an innovative electric mining truck produced by ETF, merging the functionalities of large haul trucks with those of articulated dump trucks. Its all-wheel drive capability ensures optimal performance in both on-road and off-road conditions, making it an ideal choice for diverse mining environments. The Stair SBV provides a cost-effective and environmentally friendly method for soil compaction. It features integrated compression measurement devices that conveniently display frequency, travel speed, and compaction status, ensuring efficient operation. Farm Services Limited is undertaking the replacement of clogged water pipes that have served heavy farms since the 1970s. For this project, they've selected the Services 40-20 white pipeline excavator, which boasts a powerful diadem engine and is equipped with Caterpillar tracks for enhanced mobility. Have you ever seen the remarkable vessel crafted by the United States Navy? Engineered for sea transport, it utilizes innovative materials and a wind-powered fan system for propulsion, enabling impressive speeds on the water. Thank you for joining us today, Greenthumbs machinery enthusiasts. Your support drives us forward. Stay tuned for our next exciting revelation in the world of heavy machinery. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to witness the incredible as it unfolds. The future is just around the corner.